Hey guys, welcome back to Golang tutorials. This is Jalodias. So in the last episode we created the workspace, and first episode we created in Linux, and next episode we created in Windows. And in this episode we're going to look into the basics of a Golang program. So hey guys, and the last episode we created Hey Hello World program, and it's basically I created Godislow in there. So I can start with the program. So every Golang program starts with the package. So here is a package is main package. That means it's simply this program just run. It is not used for any packages. It's the default one. It's the standalone program. And sometimes we might need some use code that we cannot put it in our program. Like look at this. We have got a code. Package called FMT. FMT is used for formatted output. So anything we give here will be formatted and given. That's the use of this. We say so maybe somewhere else. We just test it out. We say go run hello.go or some extra string. Yeah. Some extra string also came. So basically it should be something yeah. So basically that's done. We can do a lot of things with this thing, and we can instead of printf we can use print line. I think that's more good. Yeah, that's because printf is the that's basically the printf that we used in C language. So they bought it here itself. We can do a lot of things like that. This is all formatted. We can give one maybe more string. Yep. Yes, and it goes and like it. So sees things. So basically the formatted thing, we can do formatted printing like this, and this is we don't have to rewrite each and every line of the formatting code. That we can just import that package. So that means we can put the code of formatting those commands and everything in a package, separate file code package, and we can make that package and we can just import it and reuse that code in a language program. So that's the use of the packages. So here it's main package. We can create our own packages. Like we will create one now. We will create package my string. We just save it. We can save it like something like that. We create my string, and we create my string dot go. I think I had to rename it. Just go here. Rename it. Let's not go for. Let's go. So this my string dot go. So we package my string, and we just also write the program about fmt, and we write a function named my string, and here is put some print line or what's it, and it says hello again. Yes, simply that's it. So there are some conventions that we need to do while writing packages. Like every function in a package must start with a capital letter. That's a must thing. That's a thing that Go advocates. Like we need to do that, else it won't work well. So we need we can just import this package. We can import multiple packages like this. You can say here when we import it, we have to make sure there is something proper. I'm sorry, Jalodi is in bar something my string. Proper package name must be given, else it will give us an error. Because as we create the package, it will be created in something called in with github.com jalode is my string. Such a package will be created. We will look into that, and that's why we need to take it. And also, if you do something like this, we'll probably get an error, because that's because we'll just try that. what's it, go install. That's enough. Yeah, because this is imported but not used my string. So that's an error. We can't do anything. We can't import anything or specify any variable in this program unless we are using it. If you are using it, you need to import it. But if you are not using it, you can't import. That's an error. So basically, that's a good thing for good programming practice. Like we don't have to import those things that we don't use. We can import or use things that we only really use. So that makes sense. So we say my string dot my string. It's a good thing like this, that atom on gives us a hint about the code, and we just try out that. Go install. So we can say hello again. So that's a cool thing actually. And we look into the folder structure. Look at this. We go to go is something called package. In package, look at this, GitHub and Jello.ds. So this is the structure it created, GitHub Jello.ds. So it makes perfect sense why we use the entire name. I don't know whether this would work in Windows this same way, because I haven't tried it out there, but I hope it will work. If it didn't work, you just change that github.com. It won't be used, because in the last episode I didn't use github.com. Also where that package has an extension with a, as that's the extension that used in Go. So this is the main thing that we need to consider. We make the proper packages. We can just by just giving install, it will work out everything. And there's another one more feature that Go has, go get something, maybe github.com or something like that, blah 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 blah. If you make some if you get this, suppose this is the name of the GitHub repository, the Go will download those repository and install all the packages that's required. So without knowing anything, it will create things for us. Look at this. Once I install something like mat, some code from mat, and libgo color, that's a package that was required, and that this Go install it everything by default, and I didn't have to do anything, just Go got everything. So the command for that is go get. This is going to be very handy, because you can just easily copy GitHub repository to your workspace and use it. So that's it. So you got oh, I'm sorry, more things had to come, like here is the function. Func is the keyword for function, and here is the main function. Main function is the function that's run by the compiler every time you run a program. That's the main function, but in here you don't see any main function. That's because there is no main function here. You don't run this program, it's just for packaging only. So here is the main function. Every function that you intend to run must have a main function. So in this main function you can see fmt.println and my string dot this thing. So that's the end of the main function, and it will just run like that. So that's the end of this tutorial. I think you guys got something out of this, and hope if you have any doubts, just comment it and also subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys, love and peace.